Welcome to NEXTnow, the podcast where we explore the technology shaping the world's digital infrastructure. I'm Nexus, your AI host with an Aussie accent and a front row seat to how data centers are powering the age of artificial intelligence. Today, we're unpacking a crucial topic that sits behind every cloud deployment, every AI rollout, and every mission-critical system you rely on: how to evaluate a data center partner. Because not all data centers are built equal. Choosing the wrong one can expose your business to unnecessary risk, downtime, and compliance headaches. But choosing the right one unlocks resilience, scalability, and sustainable growth. NEXTDC's comprehensive data center evaluation checklist lays out a framework for making that choice with confidence. And today, we're walking through it. A data center isn't just a building full of servers. It's the heart of your organization's digital operations, the place where your most critical data lives and your business continuity depends. Selecting a partner isn't about comparing square meters or rack counts. It's about verifying that your provider can deliver uptime, compliance, sustainability, and scalability, all while supporting the next wave of digital transformation, AI, edge computing, and sovereign cloud infrastructure. This checklist breaks that evaluation into 9 key areas: proven experience, power, fire protection, connectivity, security, location, scalability, services, and amenities. Let's explore each of them and what they reveal about the strength of your potential partner. You want a provider that's not experimenting with infrastructure. You want one that's perfected it. The checklist starts here for a reason. It's about trust and track record. Ask if the provider is publicly traded with transparent, audited financials. Have they been operating for more than a decade? Do they offer a 100% uptime guarantee backed by commercial rebates if that promise is broken? And do they operate nationally, not just regionally? Proven experience means predictable performance. Now, let's talk power. The most fundamental part of any facility. A truly resilient data center doesn't just run, it runs without interruption. The checklist asks whether the entire facility is protected by uninterruptible power supply systems, including all mechanical plant equipment so cooling never stops. Does the site operate at least an N+1 electrical configuration, meaning every critical component has redundancy? Can it handle power densities above 20 kilowatts per rack? And does it store 24 hours of on-site fuel backup to survive extended grid outages? The best facilities go further, using continuous rated generators designed to run 24/7, 365 if needed. Power is only one layer of protection. Fire safety is just as critical. Modern facilities employ very early smoke detection systems known as VESDA, combined with thermal, smoke, and flame sensors for multiple layers of safety. Some sites even integrate outside air quality monitoring with automatic bushfire shutdown procedures, vital for the Australian environment. The best designs include 2-hour fire-rated zones, compartmentalising risks so that even in a worst-case event, your equipment stays safe. Fire protection isn't about alarms, it's about anticipation. A modern data center is only as powerful as the networks it connects to. Carrier neutrality is the first must-have. You should never be locked into a single network provider. True carrier neutral sites offer access to multiple meet-me rooms connected by diverse fiber paths, ensuring redundancy and flexibility. Then there's cloud access. Ask whether your data center provides direct, secure connections to AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle, and other platforms. Connectivity should never rely on a single path. The best data centers operate diverse, redundant fiber routes into and out of the facility, maintaining performance and resilience for latency-sensitive AI and financial applications alike. Interconnectivity isn't optional. It's what turns your racks into a real-time engine for business. Now let's talk about security, both physical and digital. A premium data center feels like entering a fortress. Think anti-scale perimeter fencing, 24/7 on-site security, and multi-layered access control using biometrics and man-traps. Inside, every cabinet can be individually controlled and audited, ensuring that only authorized personnel touch your hardware. High definition, motion sensitive CCTV covers every entrance and corridor, with footage stored for at least 90 days. Even deliveries are secured through undercover loading docks and verified check-in systems requiring government-issued ID security isn't about surveillance. It's about accountability, visibility, and peace of mind. Not all real estate is equal. The best data centers are strategically located in low risk of flood-free zones outside major natural disaster corridors. Accessibility matters too. Proximity to airports, highways, and train lines ensures that staff, partners, and clients can reach the site quickly when needed. Location is about resilience, but also about proximity to where your workloads actually run. In a world shifting toward edge computing, having facilities distributed across metro and regional zones is key to low latency performance. Data centers are long-term investments. You don't just need capacity for today, you need confidence for tomorrow. The checklist encourages you to assess scalability. Does your provider have expansion plans within the region? Can they offer customized data hall designs or dedicated suites for mission-critical teams? Flexibility is key, especially for organizations scaling AI workloads that might double or triple their compute footprint in months. The best providers designed for continuous growth, supporting migrations, hybrid architectures, and evolving sustainability targets without disruption. A world-class data center isn't just built for machines, it's built for people who manage them. The checklist highlights practical essentials: remote hands support available 24/7 for technical and equipment assistance, delivery and storage areas for incoming hardware, and authenticated self-service portals for managing connectivity or provisioning tasks. On top of that, customer experience counts. Leading facilities provide dedicated office space, staging rooms, meeting suites, and even breakout areas with kitchens, workstations, and wellness zones, because engineers and partners spend long hours on site. Amenities may sound small, but they reflect an organization's culture of care and professionalism. Once you've walked through each section, the checklist gives you a way to measure your findings. A total score of 43 or higher indicates a premium provider, a partner that meets the gold standard for reliability and growth. Scores between 31 and 43 suggest potential but warrant further due diligence. Anything below 31 should raise red flags about risk and resilience. It's a structured, evidence-based way to compare providers side by side, replacing guesswork with clarity. Once you've completed your data center evaluation, NEXTDC invites organizations to take the next step, accelerating your sustainable digital journey. That means assessing how providers align with your environmental, social, and governance goals and national climate policies. The Unlocking Excellence for Sustainability Evaluation Checklist expands the process further, helping you identify facilities that are not just efficient, but environmentally responsible. Because the future of infrastructure isn't just about uptime, it's about impact. Sustainability is now a defining metric of digital excellence. NEXTDC's team of experts is ready to guide organizations through this process, offering certified high-density, energy-efficient facilities purpose-built for where the cloud lives and AI thrives. Choosing the right data center isn't a tick-box exercise. It's a strategic decision that affects every aspect of your digital future, from reliability and compliance to performance, sustainability, and scalability. The Data Center Evaluation Checklist gives you the framework to make that decision with confidence and to partner with providers who think beyond hardware to deliver holistic, sovereign, AI-ready environments. So before you sign that next contract, ask the hard questions, measure the answers, and ensure your infrastructure is built not just for today, but for what's next. Thanks for tuning in to NEXTnow. I'm Nexus. Stay connected, stay secure, and keep building smarter infrastructure for the AI era. Visit nextdc.com to learn more about how NEXTDC is helping organizations design the data centers of tomorrow.